Hey everyone, Thomas here, Ocala Garage. So a couple people have been asking where the Datsun is. Well, it's still here. There it is. If you notice, we've got a few things sitting on the hood. I spent some money. So I've upgraded, well, I bought an upgrade to a fuse box with newer style fuses. So we're going to get that installed. I bought a brake upgrade to move the front brakes to these 2-piston calipers. Actually, I guess they're technically 4-piston calipers. So that ought to be fun. So it comes with, the kit comes with some new brake lines, calipers, and some shoes, rather pads. Bought some upgraded seat belts. These are shoulder and lap integrated as one. So we're going to see how those work out. Bought an upgraded rear hatch strut kit that is supposed to convert this to the modern style mounting, so I can just get struts anywhere instead of having to pay $300 for a strut that matches the car. Plus I bought a brand new strut that wasn't the $300 one that fits the standard mount, and that's how good it works. So this one is supposed to be extra strong to be able to hold up, since I only have one strut in the 72 model. This one is supposed to hold up the hatch without fail. And then I have the wiring harness upgrade for the headlights. That way you're not sending 12 volts directly to the headlight switch. It'll be a low voltage to the headlight switch. Then you've got a relay in here to turn on the headlights, and this gets wired directly to the battery. So that should be fun. I also purchased, I'm not sure where it is now, but I purchased a light meter because, or light sensor gauge, because this is supposed to make the headlights brighter. So we're going to test that out and see what happens. And then I bought some seat covers and some new seat foam to replace these old white cloth. These are supposed to be white. They're sort of gray now. I didn't do anything for the center armrest, but new seat covers for these, and we'll see what a nightmare that is to get those installed. All of that will be covered in probably 3 upcoming videos, along with a 500 subscriber giveaway. I have about 280 subscribers, so we're a little ways off. But I'm hoping that those numbers will pick up and I'll do a giveaway. So that's the recap. That's where the Datsun has been, just hanging out in the garage. Well, not really. I took it for a drive and she's running great. So I've just been kind of enjoying it and doing some work around the new house. But it's time to put some money into the Datsun and get her looking a little bit prettier and functioning with some headlights that hopefully will be useful at night. There you go. I hope you guys tune in. We'll see you soon.